It hurts. It decreases acoustic insulation. And it's been like this forever. However, eye and ear protection are essential to craftsmen and recreational shooters. Can we do something about this? Attention, invention. Welcome to Attention Invention. Today I'm going to show you a long-awaited game changer in personal protection gear. Here's what we need. External ear protection, protective eyewear, at least 2 neodymium magnets with zinc bore, metric screws for metal pins, 2 knurled nuts, 2 corresponding screws and 4 nuts, a heat source, for example a hot air pistol, a drill, a saw, a screwdriver, sandpaper and a non-permanent marker. First of all, we'll start by screwing the neodymium magnets into the pivoting pin slug pair of the ear protection. Make sure to choose the front-facing pair. If the pin is made of plastic, take a metal drill, drill a shallow hole into the pin, but make sure not to penetrate the pin or the housing of the ear protection. Take a screw, cut it into a suitable length and screw the magnet to the ear protection. Do not fully tighten the screw in order to allow the magnet to totter. Make sure that the screw head is flush with the magnet surface. In case the pin is made of metal, you may wish to cut a thread and use a metric screw for attaching the magnet. Attach the knurled nuts to the magnets. Now try it on! For the next step you may need some help from a friend. Put on your eye protection such that it fits just right. Does it hurt? Never fear, we are almost done. Make sure your ear protection is comfortably positioned. Let your friend mark the position where the knurled nuts front-facing surfaces cut the thermoplastic part of the eyewear's temple arms. This is where we bend the temple arms. Apply heat to the first temple arm until you can bend it. Shield parts of the eyewear which do not need to be heated. Bend it outwards by roughly 90 degrees. Now apply the same procedure to the other side. Try the eyewear on. The temple arms should touch the front side of the knurled nuts in a flush manner when the eyewear is appropriately positioned on your nose. Reapply some more heat to make final adjustments if necessary. For the next step you may need some more help by a friend. Let your friend mark the position of the bore in the knurled nuts on the temple arms. This is where you drill the holes for the screws you use to attach the knurled nut to the temple arm. If you want to adjust the distance between the eyewear and the ear protection, use the knurled nut. In case you need a wider range, screw a nut on each side of the temple arm. Now you can use a longer screw and adjust the distance by turning it. Cut away the excess length of the temple arms and smooth the end with sandpaper. Keep a magnet in your jacket to temporarily stow away your eyewear. Free plans and lists of parts are available under attentioninvention.com. I hope you have fun rebuilding this invention for your own private use. However, if you consider selling embodiments of this invention, please make sure not to infringe any third party's protective rights. Your patent attorney can help you in this regard. Please keep your thumbs, since we will need them for our next project. Now you know how it's built. Want to know how to protect it? Click here to join the Höfer Academy and experience the creation of an independent claim on my invention.